Child support is a big concern for a lot of people. They're concerned because they have limited assets. They're concerned, are they going to get enough? Are they going to have to pay too much? How is it calculated? I'd like to talk briefly about how child support is calculated. The courts and your attorneys will use a system called Disomaster or an ex-spouse. Basically, there are two versions of the same thing used to calculate the amount of support. There's a lot of different inputs that go into this calculator, and the output that comes out is presumed correct, subject to some very limited exceptions. So that's why people usually fight over the inputs that go in, because they know that once the numbers come out, that's the end of the story, usually. Now, amongst all the inputs, there's two that are really the most important. One is the timeshare that the parties have with the child or children. The second is the parties' income. Often parties will say they want 50-50 custody, which is actually a misnomer. There is no such thing as 50-50 custody. Usually what they're referring to is timeshare in regard to child support. The more visitation that a father has, if he's the non-custodial parent, the lower his support payment will be. And the less time he has, the more his support payment will be. Also, the second most important factor is the party's income, which is the gross income pre-tax. The support calculator backs out the tax amount, so that's why the gross number is used. There are some other inputs, and if you meet with a family law attorney, they can help guide you through this experience to make sure that the support order you have is correct and fair.